Trejo Tebucho from Turfloop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung.
Permanent job, ne? It sounded like ngati scam, Joe.
For me, that's music to me.
A permanent job.
Grills.
Boston Grills,
Yeah. See, a part-time job, I was with Kavangela Pambilo. Yo.
Yes, oh. Vus, baba kotocha. Yeah, toch do it.
The key thing.
For you to get that Ferrari.
You know what has to be done.
You know what has to be done. You know what has to be done.
Sell Nyash. Do fraud.
Do fraud.
Do content. Chase your dreams. Like and follow.
Subscribe. Subscribe. Cabanga ngoba manje uthola i-unemployment lapho sona-60 still ilonwek mara still uthola something.
Yeah, like, okay, this goes back to my question. What do you think is the difference between like a full-time job and a part-time job?
The difference with full-time job. Come on now. Okay, but about to put it in good context.
Yeah, in context.
A full-time job has more benefits than a part-time job. Right? So, like, for
It's
example,
more consistent also. It's more reliant.
yeah, for example, we show like on a full-time job you get maybe like medical what benefits, house what benefits, car allowances and shit. Good temporary in you're just gonna get your cash in fine, no UIF, no nothing. I understand. Okay, no tax, no nothing, but and this maybe so that stuff for like 6 months and shit. And so there's a full-time job and forever and ever. I mean, when I'm 17.
Yeah, but then that's the thing. If yeah, it means actually full-time.
But you signed the contract, it's permanent, it's the post. So, Mangit was also when basically you're the one gonna fuck up
Yourself.
So let's say you contract it permanent, and then let's say the business somehow yafa. What's gonna happen?
Retrenchment. It's different. Yeah, now it's different. Retrenchment. Yeah.
And then what happened to that permanent thing?
I'm fine. Angisho manje lapha nje ama clauses lawa lapha ku contracts I explain as such our incidents. If it happens, like when COVID, it's on a strike and people will lost their jobs.
Yeah.
And
It's
stuff.
only the recent ones who lost their jobs.
Yeah.
Now, I said 10 years. Best believe.
So like people lost their jobs and stuff. So I think like there are certain clauses now about contract show in an event another maybe sickness or whatever happens and the manje it's a national thing. It's a national crisis. So COVID, it happens it's one of the companies over and so more sign that is njalo. You understand? But if it's man who called this also decide to go to shang a flat gano. It's no longer permanent.
Yeah, like for me nothing bona ngathi permanent job ne. It sounded like ngathi scam Joe.
How's
It's
this?
like ngathi umuntu uyafika lana tanga.
For me, that's music to me.
A permanent job.
Grills.
Boston Grills, yeah. Dentist appointment, Kalama Grills. No, I'm Pezama Mazin, Kalama Grills.
So,
But it can be a scam, Jam. When there are contracts involved, it's not a scam. It's just a message with some benefits or corner. And the amateur contracts.
the only thing with part-time is cards. you have more time to yourself to do other things.
Yeah.
Well, permanent, it's limited, short-lived.
No, but then ne part-time ihlukile da. Ungangena part-time but 9 to 5.
Yeah, but nisho it doesn't last
Yes,
for.
it's a bit oh.
Skoroko.
What you know, you Vus, baba go man. Yeah, okay. Way. 2 weeks.
2 weeks, yeah.
See,
It's a-
part-time. Kumele ube maningi. Because uyazi ukuthi le izophela phela. So senale phile. Le enye mayizivusa uyazi ukuthi senale. Yabo.
So, but then don't you think good, like, if let's say a part-time job, yakwazi ukucabangela phambili, yo, I'll have to have my 6 months.
Maranja, no, it's rare to get someone who's to do a part-time job.
Yeah,
You
it's
never
rare,
hear
it's
anyone
rare,
who's
it's
to do a
rare.
part-time job. I mean, like, I'm like, oh,
I think the only time you have for yourself is you thinking for another job.
Exactly, Joe.
Yabo.
Thinking as name,
Yeah.
Joe.
So I think it's thing security, like
Financial-
that assurance.
yeah,
You would,
financial-
you know what, your job is secured.
Phela mo permanent. La yami ngisho lo muntu yilo ngishaka ngakunika i-20,000. Ngokuyazi.
Because we're going to sleep here, never
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, my part-time mfethu.
Oh, part-time, fine.
Hey.
I would say business.
Yeah, I would say business.
Even your girlfriend doesn't trust you. Yeah, what would do? Which means shit that I was spending from January up until June, July. It's a bit
Yeah,
broken
but-
up state. So I gotta get myself another nigga. Even this relationship is part time. You know, most people like they don't date people who they love, but who they feel safe with. You know, because
So imali menza afile safe.
Jayami, women and money, dog.
Yeah.
You swear good team abazala bebayibambi kanjini.
Yeah.
Next time, next show. So I can't tell it because now as you grow older, Jayami, like we are born ukuthi kahle.
You need to do more.
Should you second guess relationship yakho? Is this person really it's all with me because of my money, because of his success yami, or value yangincane? That's all. When I as a guy, mfana sitting up manje Jayami, you become an instant millionaire. Maybe you win lots or whatever.
Yeah.
That's
1 million subscribers.
What? Oh, million subscribers, million views, million likes.
You're getting there. You're getting there.
You know, like it happens in Dangote manje. When a man you become an instant millionaire, okay. When I show you, you have the guys who go to, you can get a chick from the hood, you know, as your day one, maybe talent show and be like, "Hi, baby, now this happened, so now accumulated this amount of money. Better, let's get married, let's start a family, and but you never get a woman down. You never done. Ngeke azakulandi lokushini uzokushiya njani. You get that? Uzokushiya dang.
Okay, so now a question. Would you settle for a full-time job because of maybe bigger benefits? Like, yo.
Yeah, you know what? You know what I'd settle for? Because in Miami, there I know my future is safe. It's like besides my partners abantu esijula nabo nanani. Like if future is safe, I know ukuthi mntanami uzabaqokile, you know, mntanami will go to the best schools, you know, I'll drive my dream car, you understand, I'll stay in my dream home. That's what. So like niggas are those guarantees in Miami full-time job.
Assurance.
Yeah, with
Clarity.
exactly.
Yeah.
We are really feed mabuyi buyohola. Ayikho into engithanda njengaleyo mfana. Emsebenzini yo.
Yeah.
Uphuma uholile. Love 21 days, come back, get paid again. Yo, I find best feeling ever, but you know, nonetheless, true. Yeah. Permanent job, part-time job.
Permanent, no cap.
Yeah.
No cap.
Yeah.
But
But yeah, depend or the permanent in
it's based on who.
any
No,
permanent
depends.
let's
The
say
only thing that makes it depend is
Exactly true.
You know?
Like we only work because we want to fund our dreams. He's working for the white man until I turn 60, dog.
Okay. What you have going on here is you manifesting a Ferrari.
Basically,
But see, khona imsebenzi, khona imsebenzi ebhadalayo. Yeah, we all know that, really. 50, 60, even 400 a month. Yeah. But an average South African is just 25,000, 30,000. Yeah. Be content with your poverty. That's what you should.
Yours. You see.
That's the really fundamental fact that we have. When you be content, Tesla or Polola.
Basically, be content with
because you are a modern man. A modern man, but sebenzela umfazi, sebenzela uvusi, sebenzela indlami.
Modern man.
Yes, yes.
I'm a yes man.
You will toxic.
Yes man.
Oh, modern man. Yes man.
So yeah. But if you see another light, Apollo perhaps, if Ferrari, Lapo gets a different story, there will come a case where you might even lose your job. Practical example, I won't dwell in this company. So, sponsor pay. The moment I have Shelley's beauty bar, it was more of a slap from God. Because now there came a point in her life now in the money bega fisa magabona the HR yakindlula kodwa asinamabo but to do the HR manje sekuye ngathini or admire ngathini you know when you see someone doing things and when you just work and you know very well I can do this also. But manje sekuthini unempilo akumele ube responsible for. I mean, you're permanent. You can't fuck up your permanent job. You can't. If reality there, whatever works out for you, man, and it pops. It's my sentence. But if you're not complete, now you have to inside a crime, or you big break. But if njengami so ngifuna ukuba ifita insane, and so the only time I'll actually taste maybe 70,000, 80,000. Maybe 870. That's like a lot of years of experience. A lot. Of which, now I'm not feeling as dedicated to doesn't show focus silver share. I'm really engineer one way, do that. But now,
but
many ways to kill a cat.
To conclusion, to conclude that this depends with the you and your dreams in Funan.
Yeah.
So what's going to work for you, the permanent or the temporary job? Because
and that kind of depends how you value money. Because when I call it 20k in pay to and do weird shit. Market to tell you to 4k.
That's true.
Out of this world. So sometimes we are in financial management, risk management. That's like one of the key things.
For you to get that Ferrari.
You know what has to be done.
You know what has to be done. You know what has to be done.
Sell nyash. Do fraud. Do content. Chase your dreams. Like and follow.
Subscribe.
So there's many ways to kill a cat, many ways. We see millionaires who say 9 to 5. You ask yourself how he does it. Look, I sacrificed 5 years of my life, 20k in 7 months, 10. I was you forex trader. More actually permanent. What will that? Okay.
Yeah. But it's fine. Yes, me forex trade. Yes. Charts, candlesticks, and everything. Yes.
I don't know that. Mapulish, perish. Yeah. So, many ways to kill a cat. You know, because like when you shine 9 to 5, push it on A45. You know, installments say 20 block. Victory. Like if it's insane, maybe we click. West game, we click. Because I sing at West, no, but when you want to have a click, I'm going to do it. Wonderful, you click.
It's wonderful.
So we have many, how we use money.
You know, sometimes I'm not good back and reflect with us.
I tell you, our generation it doesn't give a fuck about saving cash. Man, we live for today, we play for tomorrow, dog. I wanted that was save that day, man.
Till you get a baby.
Till you get a baby, man.
Yep.
I then love on it's
more like this artist in a second line, like my property.
No, that must be no.
Spiliolo. Spili Instagram. Spilama quote.
Yeah, Spilama quote.
You'll never live this young again. And you're let me fucking blow it.
Let me fucking blow it.
Oh, yeah, boy, that's good job.
Yeah, that's it, Joe. So I has it. Marash, chance. Whatever you do, you make the right choice. Whether it's a temporary job or whatever choice, as long as always you feed the family, responsibility.
Because
you go best, Antoine.
Yeah, you go best. That was the anthem last year.
Yeah.
Get that money, boy.
Get that money, boy. You go best.
So, yeah. Nangasholog, you know. I'm sad with things, I'm just saying Nangasholog.
So, okay, how do you feel about someone maybe, let's say, got a business probably 5-10 years ago, but they may feel no still the same?
I love it's not for me now to answer you. It's not about how I feel. What I focus on consistency.
Yeah,
because that's what matters.
Yeah,
consistency.
Yeah,
that's what.
Because I chose one.
And the good sevens it's way different because no more cool and giant.
Yeah, I put my
you have to force yourself to
my belly.
Nigga. Ay man. Dog. Yeah. You tata happy pen in time, man.
No,
I type in a phone.
No, I pay.